Good afternoon, guys. We're just gonna go for a walk around, see all kinds of streets and all that, just see the suburbs. Okay, I had to stop at a cafe for lunch. I just had my wisdom teeth removed, so, well, actually I've had it removed nearly 2 weeks ago. I've actually feel a bit more better than how I did before, although I need to take it easy. Anyway, we're just gonna go look around now, see what's around. See what's around. This is the train station that I show in my videos. There's a couple of them where the station is featured. Now, I'm just gonna tell you about the wisdom teeth. I had 4 removed. One actually grew out. The dentist couldn't get it out. He wanted me to take an x-ray. We found 3 more. One was about to grow through. The other 2, the situation with them was not good. Let's leave it at that. So I had to go see a specialist. Then had to go into operation and have all the teeth removed. It was a complete success. Could not move. I stayed home all week. Anyway, I'm out again. That's a good thing. Now I gotta find cover before it starts raining. I'm at a bus stop. This was the closest thing I could find, and now just have to wait till it stops raining. Okay, the rain's starting to die down now, so let's just see how far I get before it starts pouring again. This school has a farm. Right? There's more of a farm. I've never seen a school that had a farm before. With actual farm animals. Wow. Well, a good day turned bad. The rain could not keep away, I guess. But I could still make a good day out of it. Just gotta find out how. The sun is coming out again. Yay! I see there's a rainbow right there. You can actually see it. Not so clearly though, but you can definitely see it. And it has started raining again. Blowing, so it's very cold. Yeah, there's some blue sky over there. I hope it comes back. here's the beach. And there's a dark cloud over there. I'm going back now, it's getting heavy. Okay, I'm not running again. That nearly hurt my mouth. Alright, so we are leaving the beach. The rain looks like it's starting to die down. I don't believe that it is. But I'm just gonna take a walk here, maybe catch a bus, and see where I end up next. Magpie over there singing. Oh wait, maybe it's not him, maybe there's another one. Bit odd because he's the only one there. Yeah, it is him. That's him. Doesn't sound like singing, but that's actually a magpie singing. I just realised I gotta go to Woolworths. Gotta get some mouthwash and some banana bread. There's a train station up here. We'll just take the train to the closest Woolworths. I don't even know what I'm saying. Okay, it's too small to see, but in the middle of the shot, or around the middle, you can actually see the next train station over. Yeah, and I think I just saw the train pull in, so it'll be here in just 1 minute. When I hopped on the train, I realised I was still holding my Opal card. Well, not really a big deal, you know. As long as I don't lose it, that's okay. Okay, got the banana bread, got the mouthwash. Might just stay out a little bit. I gotta wait for the bus because it's Sunday and the bus times here are completely short. So on a Sunday, so let's find something to do. Okay, so we're at Hungry Jack's. I'm just having a sundae right here. Yeah. Feels good to be inside. All this stuff here looks amazing. Okay, bus is meant to be coming in like 7 minutes. I have lived out the entire afternoon. It's time for me to go home.